Audi, the German automotive giant, is renowned for its sophisticated engineering and luxurious interiors. The high-performance RS and R series ignite the passions of driving enthusiasts. The RS badge signifies performance-oriented vehicles designed to thrill. The R series with the iconic R8 represents Audi's foray into supercars. Audi's RS and R series offer a blend of power, luxury, and technology. The Audi RS series represents the perfect fusion of everyday usability and heart-pounding performance. These cars are designed for drivers who demand the practicality of a sedan or SUV without sacrificing the thrill of a sports car. At the heart of every RS model lies a powerful engine meticulously engineered to deliver exhilarating acceleration and a symphony of intoxicating sounds. One of the hallmarks of the RS series is Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. This advanced system provides unparalleled traction and stability, allowing drivers to confidently push the limits of performance in a variety of weather conditions. The Quattro system constantly monitors road conditions and distributes power to the wheels with the most grip, ensuring maximum acceleration and cornering prowess. The visual impact of the RS series is just as striking as its performance capabilities. These cars boast aggressive styling cues that hint at their underlying potential. From the wider stance and flared wheel arches to the distinctive honeycomb grille and sporty bumpers, the RS design language exudes an aura of confidence and athleticism. Whether it's the exhilarating acceleration, the confidence-inspiring handling, or the head-turning styling, the Audi RS series delivers a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined. These are cars that effortlessly blend into everyday life while possessing the capability to unleash breathtaking performance at a moment's notice. The Audi RS series offers a unique take on performance. From compact hatchbacks to full-size SUVs, there's an RS model for every need. The RS3 packs a serious punch in a compact package. Its turbocharged engine delivers exhilarating acceleration. Agile handling makes it a joy to drive. The RS5 elevates performance with a twin-turbo V6 engine. Its suspension balances comfort and handling. The RS6 Avant and RS7 Sportback combine performance and practicality. Their twin-turbo V8 engines offer supercar rivaling acceleration, yet they provide ample cargo space and seating for 5. The RS Q8 defies expectations with its performance. Its twin-turbo V8 engine delivers blistering speed. Adjustable air suspension allows agile cornering. Every Audi RS car blends power, precision, and practicality. Perfect for daily commutes and spirited weekend drives. The ideal choice for discerning drivers.